Hi, everyone. My name is Kapil Apshankar, and I'm so thrilled to have been chosen as a presenter for this year's NGH Annual Convention and Educational Conference. This happens this year to be on August 9th, 10th, and 11th in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Now, I'm going to be presenting two sessions at this conference. On Friday, I'm going to be doing a 1 hour seminar, and the seminar is about using a very specific technique of anchoring called future focused hypnotic anchors. As we work with clients, there would be a lot of focus on affirmations and visualizations and guided imagery. But this technique allows you as a hypnotist to essentially progress the clients into their ideal scene, creating an emotional trigger with that future focused anchor. So it's a very powerful technique that I've been using in my practice and with my clients for quite a while now. And I'm excited to be able to share this technique with all of you. Then later in the day on Friday, I'm also going to be leading a 2 hour seminar. And this seminar is about hypnosis for peak performance. In this seminar, we essentially are going to talk about how to take hypnosis into the workplace, into the corporate settings, working with business leaders and executives to unleash their self-confidence, work-life balance, peak performance, and potential. This, of course, against a backdrop of a significant amount of interventions that already happen in the workplace. And hypnosis is unfortunately one of those interventions that is kind of oft ignored. So as a hypnotist, this is a very powerful opportunity for you to learn how to take peak performance into workplace, work with business leaders and executives, integrate hypnosis with either leadership coaching or business coaching or executive coaching, which is how we essentially progress the profession as well. I'm excited to be teaching all of this at the conference. I'm also going to be excited to be meeting all of the other presenters. It's an amazing opportunity for personal development, professional development, and self-growth. Register for the conference if you haven't already. The details are all up there on ngh.net, and I'll look forward to seeing you very, very soon in August. Cheers.